Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to do a complete SR redraw. I decided to move it from Sunday to Monday because of the gapping we've seen, especially due to the conflicts overseas, more specifically the Iran war. So it was pretty annoying drawing lines, just painting it all up, and then it gapped right out. So we'll get straight to painting instead. All right, here we go. We're on the charts. Before I start painting, I'm not going to paint on gold. Gold seems to have finally bottomed out. It is looking very fucking interesting. Finally. Might potentially be underbought as well. You guys know in the Discord, we've been looking for a bottom for a long while. In terms of the oil long-term trade, that one is still running. TP is, sorry, sell out is far into profit. So this one's a lock. If you're in this one, there's nothing to worry about at all. All right, now let's go through the pairs and get things repainted. These conflicts and stuff have really thrown things out of orbit, bro. Newest info is always king. We got Wick Touch with the body here, so that's what I'm gonna rock with. This level seems to have lost much value. Never force paint. If you don't see it, think about it this way. Other people most likely didn't as well. So here the range has been lowered. I still wouldn't trade this though. It doesn't look too attractive. It's consolidating sort of. It's been this in this sideways range for a while. And it's Bitcoin, so you never know. Range is increased in size here. Looks more like that. Yeah, that looks a lot clearer. That's, I think someone mentioned that in the Discord, if I'm not wrong. So regarding this BO right here, if this one breaks through nicely, clacks up in 3 hours, it has broken through resistance and the 200 MA, so double resistance. Very interesting trade right there. Nothing much to comment on here. This range has to come down at some point. I mean, you can't start going here like that and something like that, but there's too much previous movement in it for me to trust it. This one's looking better. There was a trade here, I believe, last week. There's quite a lot of setups now, by the way, this week. I'm not going to get into those, though. I'm going to do the setup scan on Tuesday. Don't like entering trades on... There's a gap, though. But yeah. There's this CR I mentioned. But yeah, I'm not going to scan for setups now because it's Monday. So new range is here. It bottomed out here and is within some kind of new range. It looks to perhaps be uptrending. I don't know. So we'll look. So this rejected off this level here. So new range there as well. That's this one candle. It's like overnight from Sunday to now. Complete stagnation, fuck off. Small adjustment here. Remember, I never say SR lines. It's SR areas. It's kind of like Jupiter's belts. With all those belts around, and there's this zone you don't want to touch. And there's going to be volume approaching it, going into it. So usually things will slow down. If not, it's more of a BO trend, that kind of thing. Here, it slowed down, but instantly reversed and then went down again. So keep that in mind. Here, I'm already going to see this. I'm already seeing this forming. You don't want too big of a picture when you're painting. You don't want to sit looking at it like this. It'll throw you off bounds. We can remove these old levels and use a previous all-time high that doesn't go back like into further irrelevant zones. But you generally want to stay away from the single touches though. This is broke out and stagnated. You could form a continuation here, but we'll talk about that on tomorrow. Small adjustment here for this. And also when it consolidates up like that, there's a lot of volume that's been collected there. And we got wick touches and everything. It's confirmed. Here, new level, but these are not even real levels. We touched it once and then it uptrended from it. This one's looking fine. Completely all right. Oh yeah. Silver is rebounding too. Remember, on precious metals, you can do single touches. So smooth. It's slick with it. So silver and gold are both finally showing some uptrend. And here is the higher spread, but also better, a lot better swap if you're going short, a lot worse if you're going long. So yeah, that's all I've got for now. We got it all repainted. Didn't need a complete repaint, just some adjustments, and we're looking good. I saw a lot of potential setups there, so we're going to talk about that tomorrow, and I'm pretty excited. Thank you guys for watching, and bye-bye.